very good morning to you all. Children, in our last class we have started a new topic. Can you remember me what is it? Come on, tell me what we have started in our last class. Yes, it is subtraction. Subtraction. Come on, let us do more examples on this simple subtraction to understand it better. Let's take some examples. 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need to subtract it. That means we have to subtract 2, 3, 4, 5 from 4, 5, 6, 7. So what we have to do? We should subtract it. So keep the subtraction sign which is called minus. And come on, write the place values: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So start from the ones place. What are the digits in ones place, children? 7, 5. So you have to subtract 5 from 7. 7 minus 5. So come on. After 5 you have to count till you get 7. 5 after 6, 7. How many? 2. So write 2 in ones place. And move to tens place. What are the results in tens place, children? 6 and 4. So have to subtract 4 from 6. 6 minus 4. 4 after till 6. 4 after 5, 6. That is 2 again. Write 2 in tens place and move to the next place, that is hundreds. 5, 3. 5 minus 3. So 3 after 4, 5. Again we go to, so to write 2. And thousands place digits are 4 and 2. So 2 after till 4. So 3, 4. Again 2. So all 2's. So what is the answer? 2, 2, 2, 2. That means 2222. This is the answer. When we subtract 2345 from 4567, we got 2222 as the answer. Okay, children, in addition we have the names. That means what the numbers we are adding are called and what the answer in addition is called. Come on, tell me what the numbers that we add in addition are called? Addends. Yes? And the answer in addition is called sum or total. Okay, like that here, what these numbers are called? First, what the answer that we get in subtraction is called? Okay, we'll see. See, first of all, this number. That means the number from which we are subtracting. The number from which a number is subtracted. ఏ నెంబర్ నుంచి మనం సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము. దట్ మీన్స్ వాట్ ఇస్ ద బిగ్గర్ నెంబర్, ద నెంబర్ ఫ్రమ్ విచ్ we are subtracting, that number is called minuend. Minuend. What is that? Minuend. M-I-N-U-E-N-D. Minuend. The number from which we are subtracting is called, the number from which the number is subtracted is called minuend. And the number that is subtracted, that means which number we are subtracting, the number that is subtracted is called subtrahend. The number that is subtracted is called subtrahend. And the answer of subtraction is called difference. What the answer in subtraction difference. Sorry, let me write in baby letters so that you can understand clearly. difference. That is difference. The number from which a number is subtracted is called minuend, and the number that is subtracted is called subtrahend, and the answer in subtraction is called difference. And what is the sign we will use? That is minus. What it is called? Minus. The addition symbol is called plus, and the subtraction symbol is called minus. This is the subtraction symbol, that is minus. Okay children, do you understand these terms? Okay. Now let us see more examples. See, what is that? Once again you just see what is minuend. The number from which we are subtracting the other number. The number from which we are subtracting the number, that is called minuend. And the number that is subtracted, that means which number we are subtracting, that is called subtrahend. And the answer in subtraction is difference. So the bigger number, two numbers will be given now in subtraction. One is bigger and one is smaller, right? So always the bigger number is minuend and the smaller number is subtrahend. See children, in addition we can write the numbers in any order. For example, if we will take 32 and 45. Suppose if we have to add these two numbers, we can write these two numbers in any order. Either if we want, we can write 32 on the top, or we can write 45 also on the top like this. 45 plus 32 and 32 plus 45. Both are same. We can write any number in any order. We can write the numbers in any order. But in subtraction, can we write like that? No, we should not write. We have to write the bigger number on the top always, because only we can subtract a smaller number from bigger number, but we cannot subtract a bigger number from smaller number, right? So always the bigger number must be on the top. So always the bigger number will be minuend and the smaller number will be subtrahend, and the answer in subtraction is called difference. So children, do you understand these terms? Okay. Now let us see more examples on this. Let's do 4 or 5 of the simple subtraction. 7, 6, 5, 4 minus 5, 4, 3, 2. Now the second sum is 5, 6, 7, 8 minus 2, 4, 5, 4. The next one, 7, 3, 4, 9 minus 4, 2, 0, 8. Let's do 2 more. 7, 8, 9, 0 minus 4, 1, 8, 0. Seven, 3, 4, 9 minus 4, 2, 0, 8. Okay children, let us do these sums so that you can understand the simple subtraction very well. What is the first sum? First you have to write the place values, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. For every sum, writing the place values at the top is very important. Don't forget to write the place values. Ones place digits are 4 and 2. So you have to subtract 2 from 4. That is 4 minus 2. So come on children, count 2 after till 4. How much? 2. 2 after 3, 4. That is 2. And 5 minus 3 again. That also. Children, I am sorry. This sum we have finished already. This is the first sum which we did. Let's change it. 7, 8, 9, 4 minus 2, 5, 3, 1. That is 7,894 minus 2,531. So ones place digits here are 4 and 1. So 4 minus 1. After 1 you have to count till you get 4. So after 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? 3. So write 3 in ones place. Now move to tens place. 9 minus 3. 3 after till you get 9. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many children? 6. So write 6 in tens place. Now coming to hundreds place. 8 and 5. Have to subtract 5 from 8. So come on, 5 after till 8. 5 after 6, 7, 8. 3. And 7 minus 2. 2 after till 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How much children? 5. So write 5. So 5,363 is the difference of these two numbers. What is this? Difference. The answer in subtraction is called difference. So the difference of these two numbers is 5,363. Let's go for the next. Here, write the place values again. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. What are the digits in ones place? 8, 4. So you have to subtract 4 from 8. Come on children, count after 4 till 8. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many numbers here? 4. So write 4 in ones place. Move to next place value, that is tens. Here what are the digits in tens place? 7 and 5. That means you have to subtract 5 from 7. Come on, count after 5 till you get 7. After 5, 6, 7. That is 2. Write 2 in tens place. Move to the next place value, that is 6. Here we have 6 and 4. That means 6 minus 4. 4 after 5, 6. That is 2 again. Now 5 minus 2. Come on, count after 2 till 5. 3, 4, 5. That means 3. 5 minus 2 gives me 3. So write 3 in thousands place. So what is the difference of these two numbers? 3,224. Okay children. Now let's move to the next one. Write the place values ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. What are the results in ones place? 9 and 8. That means 9 minus 8. So 8 after till 9. How many 8 after? 9. That is only 1. So write 1 in ones place. Here what are the digits in tens place? 4 and 0. That means you have to subtract 0 from 4. 0, that means nothing. Yes? Now, if you subtract 0 from 4, what you will get? 4 only. Yes or no? 0 after till 4, otherwise you count 0 after 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the number? 4. So if you subtract any number from 0, you will get the same number. Let's learn more about this in our next classes. Now hundreds place numbers. 3. What are the digits in hundreds place? 3 and 2. So you have to subtract 2 from 3. Come on children, 2 after till 3. 2 after only 3. That is 1. So write 1 in hundreds place and come to thousands place. 7 and 4. 7 minus 4. 4 after 5, 6, 7. That is 3. So what is the difference of these two numbers? 3141. That is the difference of these two numbers. This is the difference. The answer in subtraction is called difference. Now, don't forget to write the place values, children. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. See here, what are the numbers in ones place? 0 and 0. That means there is nothing to subtract. 0 minus 0 is 0. And coming to tens place, 9, 8. What is 9 minus 8? 1. 8 minus 1. Come on, count after 1 till you get 8. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many? 7. So what is the answer? 7. Now what are the thousands place digits? 7 and 4. Come on children. So after 4 till you get 7, you have to count. So 4 after 5, 6, 7. So what? 3. So what is the difference of these two numbers? When we subtract 4180 from 7890, we got 3710. This is the answer. That means difference. So the difference of these two numbers is 3710. Come on, let's see the last one. Write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Children, it is very important to write the place values. You never forget to write the place values. You have to write. Okay. Start from ones place. What are the digits here in ones place? 9, 8. That means you have to subtract 8 from 9. 9 minus 8 we know that it is 1. Now move to tens place. Here the digits are 4 and 0. That means 4 minus 0. Children, sorry, these two are same. Yes? Now let us change. Let's do some other one. As it is repeated, we'll try for the next one. See here. 3, 2, 1, 8 minus 2107. Let's try these two. Here, see what are the ones place digits? 8 and 7. Anyway, what is 8 minus 7? 7 after 8, only 1. So write 1. And here also see children, 1 minus 0. That means you have to subtract 0. Subtracting 0 in the sense 0 has any value? No. So anyway, if we subtract 0 from any number, we will get the same number, right? So 1 minus 0 gives us 1 again. 2 minus 1? 1 after 2. So that is also 1. And thousands place we have 3 and 2. So 3 minus 2 gives us again 1. That means all ones. That means what is this? 1111. 1111. Okay, so the difference of these two numbers when we subtract 2107 we got 1101. That is what we'll call it? Difference. The difference of these two numbers is 1101. So children, this is how we will do a simple subtraction. Let us learn more about the subtraction in our next class. Practice this type of sums. Okay children? Until then, bye. Have a nice day.